space exploration is a tried and true way to excite students to look at STEM-related science, tech, engineering, and mathematics disciplines, and to be able to apply them in the future. I think we need to develop a new paradigm for space enterprise that is more holistic, to be inclusive. And by that I mean, if we look at space enterprise as a two-sided coin, one side would embrace science, research, exploration, and traditionally that's what humankind has largely done in our ventures beyond Earth. But the other side is space utilization and development. I think a very appealing side for the private sector to engage, and ultimately both sides of the coin, it's a very nice marriage because you can pull together the science and the research with the practical commercial applications, and these two elements working together will work very well toward developing sustainable settlements beyond low Earth orbit. So when you go to the moon, go to the Phobos and Deimos, or to the surface of Mars, go to near Earth objects for human missions, you will be able to live off the worlds on which you land and develop the resources you need to survive from those habitats, rather than having to export oxygen, water, food, and other elements critical for survival from the Earth, which would be a very expensive proposition.
Are you a science fiction fan?
Yes, well, I believe more in, rather than science fiction, envisioning what is possible in the future and making it happen. And I think the future is well within our grasp, and innovation and imagination will be the fuels that light these rockets and launch us to the stars. So there's a lot out there to explore, and working collaboratively and inclusively will reach our destination. Well, you know, the last person to set foot on the moon, Gene Cernan, when he left, he said, you know, we leave, we do this in the spirit for all humankind, and it is our hope that we will return. And what I'm hoping is that when we go back into space, to the moon and wherever, and we land on foreign worlds, that we will do this not as a nation with footprints and flags, but as an international consortium with dreams, aspirations, and vision that will be able to, again, develop these sustainable settlements in a way that will literally provide a pathway for humankind beyond the Earth that is sustainable, and ultimately, not that we want to abandon our planet. I mean, I think after astronauts live on the moon and Mars and other desolate destinations for a long, they'll look back at the Earth and say, oh my God, why did I ever want to leave it? It's just gorgeous. But it's in our genome to explore, to reach beyond, to achieve our destiny in space, which is clearly written in our code. And I could go on for a whole philosophical diatribe on why I think that's the case, but there's a lot of potential out there, and it's groups like this that really have the potential of making that happen.